What's up guys, it's Jay.
I'm Mick.
From UnboxingRocks.com, and we're about to announce the winner of the Sherlock Titans vinyl figures, the Baker Street collection, a full case of 20. Are you ready, Mix?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's do it! Alright guys, before we announce the winner, we just want to give a great big thank you to everyone who tweeted and liked and favorited and shared and watched and entered. Even you guys who didn't enter, but you watched the video. Or even if you started watching the video, but then you clicked pause and you had to finish making dinner and then you didn't watch the rest. Thank you too. I also want to thank Entertainment Earth for giving us the opportunity to give this away to you guys, and we really liked what we got out of our box too, didn't we, Mix?
Yeah.
So thank you very much, Entertainment Earth. Go to entertainmentearth.com right now and bring Hollywood home. But wait, don't go yet because we have to announce the winner. Let's just get right to it, okay, Mix?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Do you remember who it was?
Yeah.
Alright, we have no notes, you guys. We just remember things like this. We are nothing but professional up in here. You ready?
I'm ready.
And the winner is Christina Sheets! Congratulations, Christina! We're going to contact you right away and get your information and have a case of these shipped out to you. Thanks again to everyone who entered and shared and messaged us, and thanks to all you guys for just being awesome all the time. You make it so much fun for us. Hope you guys are having fun too. Seems like a lot of you are having a good time, razzing us sometimes. That's okay, we like that too. So thank you again to Entertainment Earth. It's been awesome. Hopefully we can do it again. We do have another giveaway coming before December 1st, right? We'll have it up by then, so watch for that too, guys, if you like giveaways. Who doesn't like giveaways? Come on! Thank you again very much to everybody. Go to entertainmentearth.com. Once you're finished watching this video, it's in the description below. Click that link. Also, if you like giveaways, click the like button and give us a thumbs up. And what else, Mix?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel because you need to be notified when we do more giveaways and more unboxings and just all the stuff we're gonna do. It's just so much. Alright, thank you very much for watching. You guys rock! You've been Sherlocked.
It's not a thing.